I see you, Fun Kid Club. Nothing can escape my owl-like vision. That is so true, Owlette. We love PJ Masks, and we love you and Catboy and Gecko. You're awesome, and what an example of fun and imaginative kids. You have some interesting villains that you fight. While PJ Masks are always out fighting their nighttime villains in their PJs and their masks, Fun Kid Club is fighting the good fight of providing wonderful surprise eggs for you kids to open. Do you love this Owlette, or Amaya, as you might know her, PJ Masks Play-Doh Surprise Egg? I know I wish I could fly and I had owl-like vision. And I kind of wish I had those cool PJs. Did you know her PJs have a super cape and they help her fly? Just like they were owl wings. So much fun. Let's open this Play-Doh surprise egg of Owlette. I love Play-Doh. So creative, so much fun. Whoa, I see cool things in there. It's a SHOPKINS Season 4 stackable basket. We're gonna save that for a minute. Oh, and another thing we gotta save for later is a Miles of Tomorrowland Space Adventure figures. Owlette can fly, and so can Miles. He has space adventures. Owlette has nighttime adventures. We have Play-Doh adventures, though. We love Peppa. Peppa. Do you ever snort when you laugh? I have. Peppa, sit down. Oh, what is this? This is a bed. It's Aurora, better known as Sleeping Beauty. She's in her bed like those PJ Masks are supposed to be. Oh, Prince Charming is coming to give her a kiss to wake her up. I bet they have adventures waiting for them after that. They've got a whole kingdom to take care of. Do you just love Paw Patrol? Look, it's Sky. Wait, she can fly like Owlette. And Chase. They're always off making good things happen and fighting crime. And the other girl member of this team, it's Everest. I like her colors. Ooh, or should I say, ooh, who is that? Who is that you say? That's Professor Hootsburg, and she is an owl like Owlette, and she's smart, and she can fly like Owlette, and she is a female member of the Doc McStuffins team. Yes, Doc McStuffins. You are one fabulous show. And there's another one of your friends, Lammy. Oh, so cute. So we have Doc and Lammy and Professor Hootsburg, all the girl members of that team. And it's Octonauts. It's Dashy. Oh, look at her camera. Are you going to take pictures? There's more Octonauts. Professor Inkles. Ooh, we should put you by Professor Hootsburg. 2 professors, 1 an owl, 1 an octopus. Oh, I found more. Paw Patrol. Whoop, whoop. Rocky. and Squishy Squishy Zuma. I love these guys. And Sheriff Callie, Sheriff Callie's Wild West. We have so many toys in here, but we can't forget our blind bag and our blind box. Which one first? That wise owl Owlette would pick Shopkins first, I think. Let's do it. It's Berry Smoothie. She's winking at you. I think she looks more like an orange smoothie. That's a cute little flower pot. Pet a plant. Pet a plant. Oh. Hey, Miles of Tomorrowland. It is Melvin and Melinda. I wanted Miles. Melvin and Melinda, Pet a Plant and Berry Smoothie, and all of these Disney fun toys. Thanks for coming and hanging out with us while we made Owlette, the PJ Masks female hero.